Hey guys, it's Reggie Dior. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this channel covers everything beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. If that's your thing, be certain to hit the subscribe button. Also, be certain to hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any new content as I drop it every Wednesday. So today, as you can see from the title, we're going to talk about HelloFresh. So stick around and watch me unbox. Okay, so they have several different options to choose from on HelloFresh. They have pescatarian, they have for the meat lovers, they have vegetarian, they have something that's pork without pork. I know, but it was there. But I chose the veggie options. I was pesco-ovitarian at the beginning of the year. Now I've cut out chicken, so I'm pescatarian again, and I'm probably gonna cut out the seafood this year also and just be plant-based. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and open this box together. I actually received this box on Friday and I shoved the entire box in my refrigerator, and here's why. I had somebody summon me to play dominoes, and when I'm summoned, of course, I'm going to deliver. So, that said, I had to go ahead and put this baby up and pull up on that request. So you know, if you know anything about me, I handled up, and of course I won that and Uno. So I left this baby in the refrigerator until Sunday. So hopefully the contents aren't wilted, but let's go ahead and open up and see what I got. I think I got like a black bean taco meal in here, and I can't remember what the others were. So let's see. Let's see what it looks like when you open up these packages. Okay, so here are the contents of the box. Hopefully you guys can see me back that far. Okay, so here are the contents of the box. It says open for special offers. Seriously fun science and art projects, 1 month free. Okay, I'm not going to do anything with that. Let's see, there's something else in this envelope. $130 wine voucher. Okay, now they're talking my language. I can use some wine. And then we have all of the menus that are on top. Okay, I got the cheesy black bean tacos, and these look incredible. So hopefully when I prepare these, it will look like this. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then I got the plant-based protein stuffed peppers. Ooh, I made good selections. And I got the creamy, dreamy mushroom cavatappi. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And then they have everything in this little insulated, shrink-wrapped type package. Move this box out the way. So let's open this together and see how everything is sealed. Oh, it's very neat. Okay. So it looks like each meal is in its own little bag. Yeah, I guess I better get to cooking this today and not a day later since it has fresh ingredients. So these are each of the bags that come inside, and then there's a little cardboard piece along with the insulated ice packs to keep everything cold, because you know they drop it off right on your porch. And then we have the plant-based ground beef imitation. It doesn't say plant-based ground beef, it just says plant-based ground. Okay, so those are the contents of this box, guys. I think I will make the stuffed peppers first. Okay, so this is for 2 people. It comes with the 2 bell peppers, the yellow onion, tomatoes, the plant-based protein, some spices, so well prepared here. That's for the creamy dreamy mushroom cavatappi. Okay, so let's see if what everything looks like in the plant-based protein peppers. This is the one that I'll put first. Okay, everything looks fresh. I'm impressed. Okay, not bad. That one's a little bruised, but that's okay. We're gonna cook these today. Israeli couscous. Ooh, that one's opened a little bit. And then it has the different seasonings in here: garlic, basil, rosemary, red pepper, ground fennel, and oregano. Shredded mozzarella cheese, an onion, tomato, and more seasoning. So I'm going to prepare this one first. I'm probably not going to have you guys walk through preparing this meal, but I will show you a plate after I've completed the meal so you guys can see what it looks like. And I may even go ahead and show you guys or do a tutorial on these two meals maybe tomorrow. So here's the prepping that I've done thus far. It doesn't look amazing because I really wasn't anticipating recording it, but I just did it anyway. Who cares, right? Right. You guys want to see. And then here goes the extra ingredients that I'm going to put in there. So this is just a little bit of prep that I've done thus far. Here's what I have so far. I have the bell peppers roasted, and here is the protein, I guess protein meat. What do I call it? Ground protein. So here's what it's looking like thus far. Oops, got my nail in the way. And remember, I wasn't going to even share this, but I just felt like since I gave that little introduction to what I was going to make, I may as well finish showing you guys. Okay, so I added I don't know how to pronounce it, couscous. And okay, they're done. I had to transfer them to another oven safe pan, but they're done. I'll show you guys what it looks like on a plate here in a few. Okay, I did a paper plate because I'm not washing dishes. What y'all think? It's done. We shall see. This is what it looks like when you open your HelloFresh box. If you're interested in purchasing HelloFresh, go ahead and look down in the description. I'm going to list my discount code just for you down below because I care about you taking care of yourself on the inside out too, right? Right. So anyways, thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And until next time, peace, love, and light. Okay.